Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 14 statistics. In this video we will learn the introduction part of statistics. The first is meaning of statistics. Statistics, in the beginning the aim of the subject was simply collecting numerical data useful to the state, namely for collections of taxes, distribution of land and for other types of jobs related to army services. But nowadays statistics is used in all sphere of life. So statistics is study of the collection, analysis, presentation and organization of data. The next is what is a data? In our daily life we get the information in the form of figure, table, graph, through magazine, newspaper, radio, TV, mobile, internet and the other means of communication. This type of information help us to conclude some result like record of a player, maximum and minimum temperature of city, performance of students in the entrance exam, per capita income, some facts related to the population of country. Since these results are based on some numerical value, these numerical value are called data. So data are collection for a definite purpose. Now next is a collection of data. And the first thing, every statistical investigation is a collection of data. But these data in the original form are so huge and complex that they do not give a clear and the correct picture of the whole data. Statistical methods are applied to arrange the data in a proper form. The first is, so there are the two types of statistical data. The first is the primary data and the second is secondary data. The primary data, the data which is collected from the first time by the collector or investigator for his or her own purpose is called primary data. Next is secondary data. The data which is collected by the someone else and used by the investigator for his own purpose is called secondary data. Next is presentation of data. We can present data by various ways like table, bar graph, histogram, frequency polygon and pie chart. But 9th standard we will discuss about only these four presentation of data: the table, bar graph, histogram and frequency polygon. Next is central tendency of data. The information counted in the raw data can be presented by means of few numerical values. Method providing these numerical values are called the measure of central tendency. The method of finding the central tendencies are called mean, median, mode. So these all about the introduction part of chapter 14, and the next video we will start the exercise 14.1.